In manufacturing, metrology inspectors typically follow strict routines and precise schedules.
Yes, you are right. But in critical situations, it is very important to have dynamic, flexible solutions to avoid any downtime of the production. Inspection of sheet metal parts is often very time-consuming, and you need accurate, expensive fixtures, and you need knowledge and experience to extract features like bending areas, flat areas, and holes with a strict given tolerance. By combining the NimbleTrack 3D scanner with PolyWorks Inspector, dimensional inspection becomes easy, fast, and accessible for everyone. All settings are pre-configured. There's no need for surface preparation or any manual adjustments. The inspection can start immediately.
With PolyWorks Inspector, we automatically extract all key dimensional requirements directly from the native CAD files, including PMI and MBD data. By using a piece template or a project template, all settings for a specific part type can be predefined, allowing us to quickly deploy complete inspection projects on any 3D measurement device.
The NimbleTrack scanner is wireless, lightweight, and the setup is done in a few minutes. The accuracy from the system is up to 25 microns. The system works seamlessly in a metrology lab or in a workshop environment. Depending on path geometry, NimbleTrack adapts the scanning mode. You have multiple lines, parallel lines, single line, to ensure full capture of all features. With marker-free scanning, it delivers fast, accurate results, which streamlines the entire process. Our 3D scanner can be used independently to access hard-to-reach areas.
Sheet metal inspection is simplified by using integrated tools such as trimmed edge comparison, cross-sectional analysis, or profile gauges to interpret specific offsets and deviations. This improves defect comprehensions and ensures the right corrective actions are taken. PolyWorks Inspector instantly highlights critical deviations and technical features, while the scanner guarantees precise and complete surface coverage. Pre-configured settings allow automatic adaptation to the inspection at hand. Repeat inspections are launched with a single click using saved project templates, boosting productivity and minimizing errors. When a new scan is performed after a part has been modified or corrected, the inspection can be effortlessly replayed. No reconfiguration needed. The visual reports from PolyWorks make it easy to communicate results clearly and quickly. They are far more effective than traditional spot measurements. Share personalized inspection reports tailored to your audience, from end customers to technical teams, enabling smarter and faster decision-making.
Whatever you measure, sheet metal parts or any other parts, the NimbleTrack and PolyWorks Inspector solution makes inspection simple and accessible for everyone.